If we could get them online on the wall. Where are you guys at in the order of movement? Like, where do you guys stay? They should be coming up.
We're very last.
Yeah, okay. I don't know where they're at.
Once I fire that target, he occupies, we're ready to fall.
Call 36, safety configuration.
Here's the thing.
But you want VHF or MEOS?
Viewers.
Okay, cool. Gotcha. Yeah, that's why.
It's to fire the fire mission. So we're talking about the mortars, alright? So when we get to the SRP and you break off,
Hey, let me get that engineer.
We're gonna set a base right here and start firing and maneuvering towards that breach site, right? Once we get about 25 meters off that breach site. Building 1 surprise. Move towards the breach! Move towards the breach! 13, 14, 15. 75! Still seeing a heavy volume of fire on bunker 2. 6. Receiving sporadic, ineffective from building 2. Your team's rates, let's go! Get those. No fire from bunker 2. No fire from bunker 2. No targets. Still receiving sporadic. Remove. Get dispersion. Get dispersion. Take it. Y'all got me? Hey, we got friendlies entering. Friendlies entering. Hey, sit down over here. I need a gun over here. Hey, I got it. Here you go, Owens, go in.
Stand in that corner.
Building 2 clear.
Pick up, let's go.
Mags, 18, 40 Mike. No casualties. All equipment accounted for.
Roger.
The big one, the little one. The little dry patch. Yeah.
So I'm fine with them, but same thing. You were there for Golf 29, right?
Close it up. Okay. So if first sergeant was going to come up or anybody else was going to come through a flow, they would need to be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Roger, I don't want to leave out. Couple ribs. Would you mind punching down again?
hey, how bad my boot bluff?
I was gonna say there's definitely 2 big towers. That's bad. Yeah.
Just like halfway.
Let's go, let's go! Go! 9! 10!
1 every 4, 1 every 4.
1 every 4!
4 pass. 9!
4! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! 6! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! 7! 9! 10! 7!
6!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5! 8!
8!
7! 10! 8! 9! 10! 13! 14! 15! 16! 1! 2! 17! 3!
How many ME do you guys have?
Jack,
9? Hey, Johnson,
No.
you're good. You can push back to the guys.
9 plus 4, what's that? 13.
Look here. Oh, yeah.
Copy. Need to wait for effect.
good?
We get a push time?
Not quite yet. We're gonna wait until we get.
We'll give them like 30 seconds. Yeah.
Flag them down, but they're heading to the fire. Over.
Yo, muzzles down.
Guys, good. Yeah, let's get the weapons on the deck. Get them more into the range.
That tree, in between these two trees.
I see it.
Dragon?
Yeah.
I think they're that squad that came across. They're just holding them on the far side of the OP tower.
Okay.
Mortar west, 400 meters.
Pause in 15 seconds.
Yeah. That's why I said we're still waiting on 60s to cease.
Still going? Yep. Hand me that fucking bunch.
You're gonna go with.
No fire for trench 1, sporadic and effective fire for Hey, 1-on-1. Hey, you're pretty close. Stay a little left. Roger. ATO!
Hey, you guys come from over there?
Foot on the glove belt. All the way through, left foot.
You good? Still there?
Hurry up, Tucker, let's go! Let's go, get some dispersion. Shift left, shift left.
Everybody.